Hey guys, it's your girl Raquel coming to you live this beautiful Arizona Monday. Legit, today is September 21st and I have a new video for you guys. I'm sorry I've been kind of ghosting. I've been going through a lot. So yeah, I'm excited for this one. This one goes out to Brad Mondo. You guys know him. You guys love him. He's one of the color experts all over TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. You guys know him so well, so he's probably going to hate this video. But I'm down. So I'm going to show you guys some of the products that I'm going to be using, which is probably going to make Brad Mondo cringe. I'm okay with that. This all love and respect, so it's okay. So I'm going to be doing an Age Beautiful Ultra Bond. This is a hair lightener. It lightens up to 9 times the length. You guys can already see I have some color in my hair from when my husband did the rainbow, and he kills it every time. Brad Mondo, check out TikTok for that video. Legit, I still have some yellow, so he's going to go in and he's going to bleach the roots, take the color out of my hair. He's going to actually bleach my eyebrows for me because I like to color them. I don't like to have them. I'm not one of those girls that has like blonde hair and then black eyebrows. I can't do it. I'm going to have them the same color that I'm doing. So we're actually going to be doing what's really in right now, the half and half style. You guys can already tell, like I said, my color is growing out, so it looks kind of gross. You know. So we're going to use the Age Beautiful, and we're going to lighten my hair. We're going to use a little bit of developer. I'm trying to stick between a 10 and a 20 just because I've already had my hair bleached and all of that good stuff. My roots are basically what I really are. I'm trying to focus on. So the colors that we're going to do, we're going to be doing the Manic Panic, the Electric Lizard, mixed with this lemon to give me like a neon green. And then also my husband is going to be doing the other half of my hair, this Arctic Fox mixed with this Intensive Ion, the Salmon, because I wanted it to be orange, but they didn't have a double orange. So he's going to work with what he has because I really want this orange color. My birthday's on Halloween, so why not make it fucking... Oops, sorry guys. So why not make it amazing? Also, to finish it all off, guys, I got a little Sauce Hair Care Repair for your hair to like make sure it's not so dry. The reason why my hair looks dry is because I washed it with Head and Shoulders just to try to get some of the color out, which is not too like bad because this yellow is already going to be in my hair, which is, we're just going to put some green on it. So it's not that big of a deal. So this is all of the stuff you guys are going to need. Of course, you guys will need mixing bowls, gloves, and a brush, unless you're savage and you just use your hands. Then more power to you. But stay tuned, guys. Remember to like and share and subscribe. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, guys, welcome back. As you guys can see, my husband has already started the coloring process, or should I say the bleaching process. He's going to go in there and touch up all of my roots. He was going to go in there and go over the color, but we don't have enough bleach right now. So he's going to work with what he has, and he's just going to start my roots first. He'll make a little Sally's run in a minute. But yeah, we'll get back to it, guys. So you guys can see he went through and literally did all of my roots. I was just making sure they're all saturated. You can tell like this side is turning a little bit more brighter than the other side just because he did that one first. And then he'll go through and literally try to remove some of the colors that are on the side. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, guys, so my husband did my roots and all of that good stuff. He bleached a little bit of the blue out of my color, left the yellow that was in my hair because we're actually going to do a neon yellow and green mixed together on this side, so it works out. This side's going to be orange, so we're going to be doing half like a Beetlejuice green and half like a vibrant orange. And yes, he bleached my eyebrows because I like to have the freedom of dyeing my own eyebrows the color of the hair that I'm using. So with that being said, I usually just paint my eyebrows in with makeup. It's easier to do it with my eyebrows bleached and then just go over my eyebrows because I don't like over exaggerated eyebrows. I like them my natural look. I just don't want to like dye them a certain color and then it washes out, and then I'll have like one green eyebrow, one orange eyebrow, and then they wash out and they look weird. So I'm just going to leave them blonde and literally paint them. So stay tuned, guys. He's going to be showing you guys how we do with the color. Hair's like this crazy white color. Fuck, I need Christian to hurry up and just put the color in it already. Okay, guys, we're back. I got my clothes changed so that we can start this process. You guys can still see that I have a lot of yellow, but that doesn't matter because we're going to color it with the colors. See, he did my roots, which are really yellow, and he tried to get out the blue. He left the yellow that was already in place, and he literally just mixed the electric glitter, manic panic, the electric lizard. He mixed that with the ion brights, the lemon. So if you guys wanted to check that out, that's what he's mixing it with to make it more of an electric color. So he's going to mix that. I sectioned off my hair because we're doing half and half. You guys know that that's the style right now. So, of course, I want to be on trend. And, yeah, let's see how this turns out, guys. I'm super excited. Stay tuned. All right, everybody, as you guys can see, my husband's going to start the green transformation. The inspiration of it is my Mary Jane green, vibrant green yellow wig. So I wanted to try it for my real hair and see how it would turn out. You guys see that there's still yellow from my rainbow. He left that there intentionally so that he didn't have to bleach it and damage my hair. You see how it's really white in some areas. That's where the blue was, and some purple. He's literally just going in there and starting my color. He will go through and section it off, and legit he will go from there. And I will show you guys as he gets closer to the front the technique that he uses. He literally just goes in and saturates the hair. He starts in the middle and then goes from the middle and works his way down to the end and then goes up to the root area, which is awesome because he watches Brad Mondo. I got him into it. So thank you, Brad Mondo, for those awesome professional tips. So I'm really excited, and we'll see how it turns out. Stay tuned, guys. Remember to like and subscribe. Okay, everybody, he mixed together the Ion Salmon and the Arctic Fox Orange. Is it called orange? Blood orange is what we mixed, and he's literally doing the same technique he did with the last one. The orange is taken to my hair very well. I'm really excited. I can't wait to show you guys the finished process. Stay tuned, guys. Remember to like and subscribe. Okay, guys, as you can see, he's working in the orange into every strand in the front. He is really saturating the hair. My hair is really taking to this orange very well. So I'm very excited. I can't wait to show you guys the end result. Stay tuned, guys. Remember to like and subscribe. All right, guys, it's your girl Raquel, and this is the final product. I am super freaking excited about it. My husband literally outdoes himself every single time. Legit, it came out amazing. I couldn't be happier. I hope you guys like it. Remember to like and subscribe. One love, everybody.